Welcome to the Light Elegance lab. In here you'll find talented chemistry nerds with a passion for nails, run by the nerdiest, all-knowing nail chemist of them all, the almighty Jim McConnell. If you are new to Light Elegance, you might wonder where all this chemistry talk comes from. Well, Light Elegance is not only a nail brand, they are also a nail manufacturer, which makes them very special. The most common way to run a nail brand is to contact the manufacturer, choose from a list of products, and then put together your own brand. But kind of like the Ghostbusters who don't have to call someone else in case their house gets haunted, Light Elegance don't have to call the manufacturer to get their products made. They are the nerds, therefore have complete control over what goes into the jars. Hence the slogan, "What's inside matters." This fall is all about chemistry, and thanks to the talented and oh so chic chemists at Light Elegance, you will now be presented with 6 new formulations and compositions of pigments and photoinitiators to swoon over. Who run the world? Nerds. Please welcome the power of science Buttercream Fall Collection of 2021. Okay, so I had to start this presentation with Chemical Imbalance because I'm just way too excited about this amazing shade that I didn't even know I craved in my life before I saw it. This fantastic sage green with a gray undertone is now a member of my top 3 favorite staple colors in my Light Elegance drawer. If you are only getting one color from this collection, please let this be it. Having a fully cured product on your nail is one of the most important things when it comes to nail chemistry, and this color screams, I am cured. A beautiful creamy neutral terracotta, a perfect combination of red and orange, which will make you think of lush Greek alleys filled with terracotta potted plants. No, I am not ready for fall, but these colors sure makes it much easier. Here is your Polymer Pal, a creamy washed out denim. Leans a bit more towards the gray side than the blue, and it is the perfect pal to combine with any color to add that nice autumn vibe. And here's a pro tip. Put flat mat over it, put on a cozy knitted sweater, grab a coffee to go, and you nailed fall. Positively Charged is your perfect fall berry. We must have a fall berry. It's like the pastel pink of spring collections. A creamy rich fuchsia and the ultimate shade right there in between purple and pink. Just imagine a matte Polymer Pal gray combined with this shiny berry fuchsia. Ooh. I will call it a positively charged Polymer Pal. Isn't it Ionic, you might ask? And I shall answer something very chemistry clever back. Just need to make a quick call to my Polymer Pal Jim. This is a black purple that I would consider to be a dark, purplish, mysterious eggplant shade. It's funny though to describe an eggplant as mysterious, but here we are. Our last color for this collection really resonates and is a must-have for all you neutral lovers out there. This creamy milk chocolate really looks like it should smell like Willy Wonka's factory, but contains no calories. Well, maybe it does if you actually eat it, but don't do that. Just bask in its chocolatey, luscious glory and have some real chocolate instead. And just to prove my point when it comes to the flat pad, here are all the colors as matte. The things I do for matte. And unfortunately, I guess we are not born with 6 fingers, so I couldn't fit all the colors into one set, so I solved it like this instead. Please enjoy. And just to prove that I wasn't lying about the chemical imbalance obsession, here are my nails right after receiving the collection with flat mat. So our chemistry talk has come to an end for now, and all that is left for me to say is that Light Elegance is responsibly made in Redmond, Oregon, and all the nail products are HEMA-free, 9-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. Because we believe that what's inside matters, which you should know by now. If you want to create some fall magic at your table, make sure to check out lightelegance.com or your closest distributor worldwide on August 27th. Also, don't forget to check out the Light Elegance YouTube channel if you want to learn more about nail chemistry, where your teacher will actually be Jim McConnell himself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!